Hello, U.S. history students. This is Mr. Burns here, and I just want to do a little flip video recording about the important battles of World War II hyperdoc that was shared with you and is due according to the due date that was posted on your homework today. So if you look at this hyperdoc, you'll see that there are some guided questions here for each of the 5 battles: Midway, Stalingrad, D-Day or the invasion of Normandy, firebombing of Tokyo, and Okinawa. And then there's a reflection question at the very end. I do give you some information about the due date and the point total for the assignment, which is 20. Now you're going to find all the information on this Padlet link. I've also linked this to Google Classroom. So if I go to my 3rd period, for example, and I show you where this is posted, you look here and you will see also that the Padlet is posted here, but you can also access it through this link on your hyperdoc. And what you're going to notice about the Padlet is that the 5 battles are posted here. And they are in order on your hyperdoc. But on here, you can see over to the far right, that's Midway Island. In the middle here in what is present-day Russia, that is Stalingrad. Over here, this is D-Day, the invasion of Normandy Beach in France. You can see the firebombing of Tokyo is there. And you can see here that this is Okinawa. And each one of these sources is going to have a lot of different pieces of information. Videos, Newsella articles, maybe slideshows, some primary source images and some primary source videos that you're going to come across. And you're going to use all that information to answer the guided questions. Some of them have 4 or 5 things, some of them have more. You can get the basic information from the slideshows, but I would suggest watching at least one video on each link, because I think that's going to give you a lot of primary source information, some video information. It's going to give you a little bit more detailed information. You can also look at some of the primary sources. You can see Omaha Beach here, and Utah, right? The different coalitions. So I think this Padlet was very well put together, and I think it's something that's going to help you go through. And you can see this one only has 4. But you can look here and you can see that there are Google slideshows that give you some information. There's video clips. And then here's Okinawa, which is the last one. And again, watch the videos, you get slideshows and articles and so on. And when you're done, you're going to reflect and you're going to say, in your opinion, which of these 5 battles was the most important battle of World War II? Of these 5, which you think was the most important battle? Justify your answer with specific facts from your learning today. Okay? All right, if you have any questions throughout class, you can send me a private message or you can raise your hand and let me know, and I will answer those to the best of my ability. But you should be working on this independently during class time, and check the due date below and the point value as well. Thank you.